Today, let's get you introduced to the all-new RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus multi-size ratchet. This RYOBI ratchet is your all-in-one solution when it comes to compatibility, as it offers users the chance to use 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive sockets all on one tool, a first for a RYOBI ratchet. For additional versatility, the 1/2 inch anvil accepts 1/4 inch hex driver bits for the ability to drive fasteners. This all-new ratchet will become your go-to product for applications such as installation, assembly, and automotive maintenance needs. Cordless ratchets provide greater access in tight spaces where it may be difficult to utilize a hand-operated ratchet, such as working on the engine bay in a car or underneath the vehicle, as well as assembling outdoor equipment. On the ratchet itself, switching drive sizes is completely tool-free and is as easy as sliding the release latch on the ratchet head, inserting your desired size, and completing the task. With up to 35 foot-pounds of torque and providing 260 RPM, this ratchet is ideal for automotive applications like changing your brakes or installation projects outdoors, such as assembling equipment like a basketball hoop or furniture, and various maintenance needs. Featuring a 4-position rotating ratchet head and variable speed metal paddle trigger, you will be able to comfortably access fasteners from a variety of grips and angles. The dual onboard LED work lights illuminate your workspace to ensure visibility in dimly lit areas. Best of all, it's part of the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus system of over 280 cordless products. This RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus multi-size ratchet will be available for purchase in fall 2023 exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.